Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited. I just got my first easel. I've never used an easel before. I know, I'm an artist. But the fine folks at Kraft Geek sent me this and I can't wait to try it out. Let's go. Okay, here it is. So this is what it looked like. It was in a box that fit this perfectly inside. So it was packaged really well. So this is what it is. The brand is Kraft Geek. Inspire easel stand. So yeah, so this company, they actually make music stands for like musicians and things, and they make like a light you can clip onto the music stand. And so they're just entering the artist world, I guess, which is really smart. And so let's open it. So this outer sleeve comes off. I just wanted to show you really quick. This one is, I think it's called Walnut. This one is this color. They offer it in this like beechwood. And then they also have a black one. And anyway, I'll show you the website. Okay, so here is the Kraft Geek website. The link is in the description. And when you click on it, so they only have one option in the art section. So like I said, this company does phone tripods, music stands, projector stands, that kind of stuff. So this is their one art product. It is this easel. So here's the current price. It's $149.99 US dollars. I just noticed too that they are now offering it in this beautiful white color, which I really like. But they have the walnut like I have, oak, and that one has silver instead of black. And then they have a plain sleek black one and then white. And here it kind of shows how you can hang your bag on it. And these are the different colors all set up. Honestly, the design of these is impressive. I mean, you'd say like an easel is an easel, right? But I'm really impressed with the design. So 65 inches max is the total height, and it can go as short as 18 inches. The canvas can go 26 inches tall maximum, and the canvas needs to be at least 11 and a quarter inches minimum. And then it can handle a 1.5 inch thickness. Alrighty, here we go. So I paint flat on my desk, as you guys know. So an easel is not really something that I've ever really considered. I do plein air painting, but I paint in a sketchbook on my lap. So I've never really done like an actual painting in the wild. So this is going to be really interesting. And I'm thinking I might take this with me to Italy in the spring. There will be a lot of plein air painting. So these are the three colors they offer: a black metal, and then like a walnut color, and then a beechwood and silver. And so they offered me a choice. I picked the walnut because it's so pretty. And then this is just the instruction manual of how to open it. There you go. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I've already pulled it out and learned how to open it and close it. So I'm going to make this look really easy. And the first time I opened it, I actually had my husband help me, and he was blown away by this. Blown away. My husband's like huge into quality products, and he's a very like mechanical minded man, and so he was like so blown away by this and could not stop saying how awesome it was. First of all, can I just say this is foam, like not styrofoam, not cheap. This is like flip flop foam. The packaging for shipping is like nice. All right, so I'm going to show you how this is done. This is really simple to set up once you figure it out. So the first thing you do is pull the sides out. So I don't know if you need to, I forgot about that. Listen. Okay, ASMR guys. You hear it? So there's these little rubber nodule thingies that hold it together. So satisfying. I love it. So you pull the sides out. And then the next thing you're going to do is pull out the anchor. I guess this is called the anchor. So I'm going to pull that out. This slides down. Okay. There we go. Okay, I apologize for this view, guys. This is the best I can do right now. Okay, so you're kind of looking over my shoulder a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and open this as if you're hanging out with me and standing next to me. So step 3, unlock bottoms, keep twisting left to expand. So these bottoms, let me just show you. They have a little lock on it, and you just turn it. So it's really easy. Locked, unlocked. Everything twists to open and shut. So you twist it to lock it in. Twist each knob individually to lock them in. It's very cool. So now I'll show you this one. So you unlock, pull it out, and when you lock things in, I'll show you, you twist it. So you twist left to expand. And then we've got the front 2 out, and now we just need the back one. I apologize for this view. I probably should have went and grabbed my husband to help me film this. I've been avoiding this video because of this. All right, here it is, guys. Okay, I'm 6 feet tall. I don't know if you know that about me, but one of the things I was worried about with an easel is the fact that I'm 6 feet tall and I don't want to be like hunching over to paint. So I want to show you how this works. It has a hook right here so that you can hang a bag. Let's say you have like an art bag you want to bring and you can hang it that way. Like if you bring it in your backpack, you can actually hang your backpack right here, and it will also stabilize it so that it won't like fall over. Speaking of which, I need to tighten these. So these little clips come out, and then this can go up and down to hold your painting. So this is probably something that I would paint on is I have these like wooden boards that I tape my paper to. So I just wanted to show you that they sit on these little deals. Very scientific. And then it clips in right there, so it's totally sturdy. Isn't that awesome? All right, we're going rogue. Here you go. So you see it's got these that come out to hold your painting. There's a locking knob. And then here's the thing for hanging your backpack on. Now this is highly recommended. Let's say you're painting on the beach and in sand or it's windy. It's really cool to be able to hang your backpack on this. It stabilizes your easel. And then you can also hang your bag with your supplies in it, which is really cool. And then up here, some of you like to use an attachment for your easel. It has the, gosh, what is this called? I keep wanting to say screw hole, but I know that's not accurate. Anyway, you can attach things to that. Okay, so this is going to be really nice because, like I said, I'm 6 feet tall and it's really not ideal for me to be hunching over to paint. This thing's pretty tall. Oh, there's an extension for the canvas holder. That's what this little knob is back here. So this, oh, guys, look at that. So this is really cool. You can lock this in so your canvas isn't going to go anywhere. It's nice and secure. Locked in. But look at that. It's so great. It's wintertime here in Idaho, and I was not about to go traipsing outside with this and standing in the snow. I know James Gurney does it, but I am not as brave as James Gurney. So for now, we're going to use it inside. But I'm really looking forward to, like I said, the springtime when I can take this thing outside and I can really give it a good test. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this closes up. So first you have to close the little tabs. You've got to make sure everything's down and lock in the canvas holder up here. And then you're going to go ahead and twist the feet. Like, once you get it, you get it. And if I can figure this out, anybody can. So now we're going to, trying to remember, we're going to close the back. Okay. So this snaps back in. So it's the same way, but opposite of the way we opened it. And then there we go. Close her up. Pop. And it's locked in. There it is. It's really beautifully made. It's sturdy. It just looks really nice. I'm really excited to take it out and test it, like I said, and see what this bad boy can do. So anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me today as we checked out this little easel, and the link to everything will be in the description. You can get a 15% off using the coupon code Ashley15. Go check it out if you're in the market for an easel. I highly recommend this, and I hope you have an amazing day.